Hey, people of YouTube. Yes, that is my new thing. No, it's not, but maybe.
Today, we decided, well, it's like the Chubby Buddy Challenge, but it's the Popcorn Challenge instead, where we do the same thing as you did as Chubby Bunny. Mara, quit eating the popcorn!
No!
Instead of saying Chubby Bunny, we say Pop. You ready?
Maybe.
What? I'm not as helpless as you think
Pop.
I am. Yes, it is.
Pop.
I get it. It has
Pop.
always been.
Pop.
But that's
Oh, so small!
leaving.
Pop.
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 Pop. Look at those houses.
I know, right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I don't know. Well, you got 5. You just keep track of how many you got. Pop.
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 What's a small brother?
It's not a big dog.
Pop.
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 Oh!
I broke it in half. It was bugging me. Break one of yours in half then. 1.
Go out.
Now there's swab in my mouth.
Pop.
Pop. Go come.
Pop.
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 I swallowed one by accident. Oh, that's ew.
I'm eating them.
What?
Start eating them. I got up to 16. You lost one, so you got 15.
I lost all of them.
Did you spit them in there?
Some of them.
Ew! Still gonna eat.
Let's just shove our face with all the popcorn now, because we like totally messed up this challenge.
I don't want to get all the salt on my face. Of course you do.
Ow!
Oh.
Keep going.
Pop. 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 Woo!
You really
Pop.
Alright.
Pop. 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 Oh, what a floor.
I got a big mouth.
Wait.
Pop. 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 Woo! Pop. Pop. I won.
Finally, finally, after
No, you didn't that. Oh.
Yes, I did.
That is gross. Not gross as the Chubby Bunny channel, so you have marshmallows in here.
So yeah.
keeping the
Not so. Nope. Oh.
Those.
Oh! It's not dragon! Oh, shit. I got forest pigeon seeds in my mouth.
It's okay.
I hurt my tooth though.
Who wants to see me stuff my face in this little popcorn?
Cricket. Cricket.
Everyone! Yeah!
Oh, shit.
No. Okay. Wow. No.
Put it up. Pick up the foot. Pick up the popcorn. You gotta vacuum the floor now.
Una maca, two maca, three maca, four maca,
I'm not eating the popcorn!
7 maca, 8 maca, 9 maca, 8 maca,
What's that?
I don't know why I did that. I just thought it would be fun.
Eat the floor.
I am not eating the floor. Scooby, come eat the floor. He's like, hi.
There's still messages in our conversation.
My boyfriend's on the phone. Say hi, people. Wait, they can't say hi. They're not there yet.
If only we were actually live.
I know.
Broken?
So yeah, peace.